Halo, assalamualaikum. Nggak, nggak dengar. Sound, no.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. So, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you, sister?
Yeah, I'm fine, Kazi. Thank you for
Mashallah.
giving.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You know what? I have been waiting for you for couple of the weeks, probably. But today, you accepted me.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. You know what? This happens because you don't know me. So definitely you will have to understand myself. Then you will accept. It's okay. You are right. But yeah, finally, I would like to say lots of love and thanks from me, from Bangladesh also.
Re artinya apa, Re? Aku gak ero, Re.
So you're from Indonesia?
Yes, you.
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh in apa? India.
Yeah, it's
Arab. Apa?
my country is located just next to India and Pakistan.
Oh, Pakistan.
So next to Pakistan,
Yeah.
we are independent from Pakistan in 1971. We are independent country in 1971 from Pakistan.
Re, aku gak ngerti, Re. I'm not speaking English, guys.
Yeah, it's okay.
English.
Yeah, it's okay. I understand your language as well. So, what is your profession? What do you do? May I know, please?
Huh?
May I know? What do you do? What is your profession?
I don't know.
I mean, your work.
Yes, work. No,
Yeah.
no, work. Yes, no.
Yeah, it's okay. You don't have work.
No, done.
Yeah, no, it's okay. Sister.
Tahu kocek. Yes.
So, so you don't have. You are a housewife.
Apa? I don't know, sumpil. I'm sorry, Kezi. I'm sorry, I don't know speak English. Aku juga bingung.
Yeah, so I understand you don't know English, so very little you know, but you can speak as well also at the same time. So I'm using the very simple word for understanding you. Just like you work at home, you have child, you have children, you have son.
Tanyakan saja dong. Going, I am. Wah, Kak. Oh, dia. Terus aku kudu jawab opo? Mustole, siap gimana? Tok no wes mari mangan.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, sister. So see you later. Now you go on your live. Okay, thank you so much for joining with me.
Okay. Thank you. I'm sorry, Kezi. I'm sorry I don't speak English, Kezi. I'm sorry. Bye, Kezi.
It's okay. No, it doesn't matter. Okay, thank you so much. But I'm happy that I am just able to talk to you. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Thanks for watching and keep supporting.